Edamame salad with soy ginger dressing, a fresh and flavorful delight. Looking for a salad that's not just another pile of lettuce? Say hello to this vibrant edamame salad with soy ginger dressing. Packed with protein, crunch, and a punch of umami, this salad is anything but boring. It's quick to make, bursting with fresh flavors, and perfect for meal prep or a light, satisfying meal. Whether you're a salad lover or just looking for a new way to enjoy edamame, this dish will have you coming back for more. Edamame, those little green gems, are more than just a sushi sidekick. They're rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and essential vitamins, making them a nutritional powerhouse. When paired with crisp veggies, a zesty soy ginger dressing, and a touch of sesame, they turn into an irresistible salad that's both refreshing and deeply satisfying. Here's what you need to whip up this delicious dish for 4 people. 2 cups shelled edamame, cooked and cooled, 1 cup red bell pepper, diced 1 cup cucumber, diced ½ cup shredded carrots, 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro, chopped 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, optional. For the dressing, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon honey, or maple syrup for a vegan option, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, ½ teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional, for a bit of heat. In a large bowl, combine the edamame, bell pepper, cucumber, carrots, red onion, and cilantro. In a separate small bowl or jar, whisk together all the dressing ingredients until well combined. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss everything together until evenly coated. Sprinkle with sesame seeds for a final touch. This salad is best when it has a little time to marinate, so let it sit in the fridge for at least 15 minutes before serving. It's delicious on its own, but you can also enjoy it as a side dish with grilled chicken, tofu, or even over a bed of greens. Want to take it up a notch? Add some chopped avocado for creaminess or a handful of crushed peanuts for extra crunch. However you customize it, this salad is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. What's your favorite way to enjoy edamame? Let me know in the comments.